So guys, tell me any doubt in the ETL tool and in the relationship?
Yes, Harsh. Can
Yes.
we just talk about the date criteria, what you made, why
Okay.
we have made that date?
See, for
Because
this
in
date,
because in Excel also we can segregate the dates in a month or a year.
see why
So
we see. Let me check. Let me give you example. See, in this date column, there is a
yeah,
just date of booking and just year, not having
yes,
any month wise, week wise,
yeah,
anything
yes.
wise.
So we can make it. So we can
Yeah.
make it in Excel also if we can segregate, sort it
Why
with a
why
month or
why we
yeah
need
year.
to make that kind of thing in Excel? Because see, when you do anything in your suppose if you are connecting the Power BI report automated, then every time you have to connect your date table with the maximum date table in your file
Yes.
every time. So why you want to do that manual task? You are into Power BI, then why you want to do a manual task?
No,
Because
I am saying that we can arrange this date into a month wise or a year wise also in Excel.
see, in Excel, if you arrange, then every time you need to arrange because your raw data, this is your raw data, same way. This is raw data connected from server. Okay, this is your raw data. See, if your raw data will be same like booking ID to this table. Okay, booking ID only
Okay.
except these three column. Your all the data will be the same format. So why you need to change this into this Excel file? Because every time, suppose if you left the job from company, okay, if you left the job from after 2 years, then you know about that how to do a date. But if the new person is not having any knowledge about the date, how to do a date column, then he will be searching and then calling you. Okay, so that is the reason, because you have to use one standard thing. So in this Power BI, this date table is just a standard thing. This date table we are using, it is just a standard thing to use. And
So
in
can
the
we?
active function, see, from this you have a date. Right now, suppose if you are working in your company and your manager told you that please provide me the month of the year range wise, you have count month of the year range wise. Okay, so in this date table you have everything. You have everything. Mostly you have everything what the employee or manager wants. You have everything. But in this Excel file, you don't have everything. You have just date, year, and time only. Okay, and you have to every time when you're doing the first time task into Power BI into this. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, okay. So when you're doing the task
I'm
to this, you have to every time go to format the date column into month, year, quarter, day wise, weekend wise, this kind of. But when you do the work into Power BI, you don't need to do a manual task. You just need to click one time and your report will be automatically.
So yes. So how did you do it? Like, can you do it again? Like I did not understood it well.
Which date table? Manually date table or this kind of date table? Like I just copy paste. There is a two types of date table. See how to do. You there is a function written in the background. You just need to Control A and Control C. Copy this function. Okay. Go to your Power BI directly. Home tab. There is an option here. Transform data. So you just click on transform. There is a parameter. It is a parameter. Go to this transform and see there is an option of advanced editor here. Under the home tab, we have the option of advanced editor. So you can change, go to advanced editor and paste this format here. Paste this format here and click OK. It means you have a column. It is automatically add a column. Column, year number, quarter of year, month of year, day of month, date international, day of the month. And same way, when I click done, it is automatically stated me this parameter, and for this parameter I can create a multiple date table in just one go. Multiple date table means right now my this date table from 1 2010 to only till 2020. So I write my date table name as date 2010 to 2020. But if I want another date table like 2021 to 30, so I just click on this date table, click date only 2021, and here end date will be 31st 12 2020, 2030, 2021 to 2030 and start the area and just invoke. See, my new date table will be ready for from 2021 to 2030. So that is the reason to use a multiple date table with just one function. So that is why I am using that kind of function. And see, every time in every function, every table, you can use just the same function. So there is a no use for the manual function or manual thing you can use. Okay, I just click on this and go to enable load inactive and see why when I go to the enable load inactive and when I go to close and apply, this table will not load into Power BI. See, automatically changes. See all the loading completed, and when you see your
So
data,
we have to first create the date table, right? First.
yeah, you have to always create a date table in every project because date range is a very beautiful task to do. Date calendar table is a very important table and you have to analyze the date table with multiple functions. See, right now I am creating the date table with the calendar auto function. There is a many function also. When I click on modeling, add a new table, there is a many function. Like I'm adding a new date table, suppose. See, this is not any task to do in just one class. It will take some time. Okay. So there is an option of calendar. Okay, there is an option of calendar and see it will give a start date and end date. Then you can write it as year function for this and do the same thing with year and date, start and date, month and date, so that you can use a multiple things for this function as well. So there is a many function you can use.
हाँ हर्ष, ये एक बार क्लोज ही कर दो ना, ये एक बार दिखा दो एक बार फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो आपने अभी स्टार्ट किया था.
Sorry,
ये पूरा it will take some time because it's query
yeah,
need to be
yeah, right, yeah,
step by
right.
step.
Yeah, right. Actually, calendar table is complete task to do in just 1 hour. Okay. So no hurry about that Power BI. Power BI is just a very small thing. You need to make a practice for that. Just wait. I will tell you all the things. No worry about that. Okay. So
Okay, Harsh,
yes, tell me.
can you at least show us how if we want month in text, right? So when
Okay.
we
Yeah. Yeah.
write the month formula in Excel, right? So it always gives us in numeric number. However,
You
if
can
we
use
want
for the new column, you can use a format of this function, and with the month, with the year, with the date, you can use anything. See, for this, right now I need a month. Okay, so right now I need a month, and you can use just a format function. Value is put under a date column for date, and click the format function. So format. Suppose month, if you need for a date in numerical, then you click on 2D only. Sorry, 2M. It is a numerical value. Copy this one and enter. Why I need to copy? I will tell you why I copy. See, the month value will be numerical. If we want a 3-digit numerical, it means a three name like Jan, Feb, March, this kind of. You just click to copy. Instead of double M, you can put triple M. Sorry. Month, short name. Just enter. See the Jan. When you click the same thing, click enter, month, don't worry, long name, 4M, then the value will be January, February, full name. Okay, see this kind of thing. You need to
ये
just
आपने
format
4M
it.
कर दिया ना, 4M
Yeah,
करने पर ना.
4M करने पे आपको full मिल गया. Okay, same way you
And
can.
Harsh, one more.
Yeah,
Like for that, which you're telling the date table, whether we can directly get the date table by writing the calendar
yeah,
function, or
yeah.
the code which you the big code, the long code which you have shown us, that can be use it, or we can use a direct calendar function for the date table, right?
Yeah, you can use calendar function also. Calendar auto function, calendar function. There is a this calendar auto function. Then you can separate all the things. Okay, and see when you go back, let me tell you. Go to home, transform. or like a date table, this one. Hold on, this. Okay, just a minute. So you can use a different kind of formatting like D. I can write D, it means a 1, 2, 3. If I write a 2D or 3D, you can use a new column. Suppose I need a day short name. So you can use triple D. It means this is a Sunday, Monday, this kind of day. If you need a full name, then you can just use another thing. Because in the
Harsh,
starting, you don't need.
like these formula, like I could not understand the whole date, how you segregate the date table.
That is the reason. That is the reason. You don't need to worry. I will
Because
tell you in later. Yeah,
yeah,
you don't
I'm
need to
getting
worry.
the
I will
half
tell
of
you.
it.
Yeah, no worry. I will tell you in later. Maybe just for example, I will tell you. Okay, for no worry, you
Yeah,
can use in further also. Okay, it is not
अच्छा
for one.
हर्ष जो ये संडे मंडे जो डेट फॉर्मेट में ले रहा है इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द डे व्हिच इज वी हैव गिवन आई मीन टू से it is considering one as Sunday, two as Monday, or it is taking as per calendar. I mean to say
No,
1st
no,
January.
it will taking as per calendar, your date wise. This is your date wise. Either you can select the
Okay,
date
मतलब
as
1st January 1899 is the
Sunday.
Sunday, right?
Yeah, it's a
मतलब जो
Sunday.
भी
Either you can check. Okay. Or either you can format also. Suppose if there is a date and time, you can just go to date, and for date you can just move as a format this area. This one from date and time you can just use a date only, and for the date you can use in the date correct format.
अच्छा ये 1899 से क्यों ले रहा है ये हर्ष?
It will automatically count from your row wise. Okay, so that is the reason. That is the reason that I can use only the start date and end date. It will calendar auto function automatically count the rows. Okay, so total number of rows, suppose it will count the total number of rows, and if one row has shows and the date of 1890, then it will automatically convert the date of starting date. Okay, so
और
there is
अगर आपके पास एक डेटा में आपके पास में डेट ऑलरेडी गिवन है उसका आप डिम शीट में यूज कर सकते हैं आप उस डेट को
उसको भी यूज कर, जैसे हमारे पास ये एक शीट है, इसके अंदर डेट ऑफ बुकिंग है. Okay, suppose if we have a one date column, you can just put this date column as a date table and format all the things with those only.
Okay.
You can use this also, but there is a many way to use this kind of function. So now any doubt in ETL and this kind of function like ETL and relationship, any doubt? So we will continue a more DEX function and the visualization part tomorrow.
Sure.
So maybe if you have any doubt,
तो हर्ष एक बात बताइए हर्ष जस्ट वन थिंग आपने जितना भी किया ये मैनुअली किया बट यू सेड ना कि लाइक वी विल डाउनलोड द डेटा फ्रॉम द different like web or EXL, so why manual we always download the data from the different sources na.
But in my case, my date table is not there, then we can use manually. If your database have a date table, then you don't need to do manually. Like, let me share my screen to you again. See, every time you don't have a data into your hand, every time your clean data is not in your hand. Let me just see, when I click on the budget table, it will connect with the all date table, connect with the all date in this budget table, and same way in the actual. But sometimes you don't have any date table, then you have to connect to the date table because date table is different. So you have to do a manually. Every task you do not need to click just a by mouse. You have to just analyze your data. So that is the analyze function. We cannot do manually. This is analyze function. Okay, you have to
Harsh, one more, yeah, related to this. So suppose my data set does not have a date field.
Mhm.
So then also you do you require date table to be loaded, or
No,
that
no,
can be ignored
no,
that time?
no. That time you can ignore, because if your main data, if your fact main data does not have date, then you cannot analyze the main data by a date table.
Okay.
Because in your
Okay.
fact table, date should be mentioned. Then only you can analyze with the date. Okay.
So,
Yeah,
so we
got it.
have
Okay,
two
Harsh,
things.
Harsh, Mahesh here.
Yeah.
Harsh, this is the first lecture, no?
Yeah. This is the first.
Just I have, but I feel it is because there is something. I feel it is because people are just already aware about these things.
No. Actually, aware about this thing, but this kind of lecture, actually, we are going to start this batch from earlier, but due to some uncertainty, the batch will be not fully started that time. Okay, so now the batch will be start from one class. This is first class. As many only the Gaurav Malhotra is joining just one class. Otherwise, all other are missing. So that is the reason. Okay.
Mm. But from the next lecture, everything will be is from the beginning only, maybe.
Yeah. No. From this is the beginning. This is just a beginning.
Okay, because right now, yes, I'm saying you like the date function. It is something because directly you're jumping and just after बाद में आपने बोला कि tomorrow will start with the DAX and all, तो DAX तो इतना वो तो बाद में आ जाएगा, पहला डेटा क्लीनिंग वगैरह तो पहला हो जाएगा ना बॉस, पहला तो
Right, data cleaning is done by me right now. Okay, so DAX function and visualization will be covered tomorrow, because in 1 week we have to cover full project like this way. This is the complete. You have any doubt, you can call me on phone. Okay, I will query your answer on phone. Okay, so now I'm
okay, no
going.
problem.
Yeah, you can. I will
Harsh,
call you in just sometime. Yes, tell me.
I remember you have like recorded some session where you have given the very
Mhm.
basic understanding of
Yeah.
Power BI. So if you
Right.
can share those recordings with the class so
This
they
is,
can
yeah.
run it and understand.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I can share. Okay. Because this is just a real time courses, so I think they can understood properly what is the Power BI. So that is the reason that I am not sharing that kind of things. Okay, so no worry, I will share to all. No worry. So right now I'm going to close this session for today, and we are going to